Ooh wee. Hello, welcome to another episode of Rah-Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my techniques for cooking one of the most difficult America's favorite dishes, macaroni and cheese. As well as I'm going to be showing you my secret way of how I cook and prepare green beans to make them more tasty. And on the side of that, I'm going to be showing you another technique I use with butter to fry meats. So, we're going to be cooking some salmon, some steak, some macaroni, and some green beans. Let's get right to it. And there you have it. Everything is all done, made beautifully. Now, let's taste it. Look at this. That's ridiculous. Oh no, I dropped it. Wow. That's so good, it don't even make sense. Like, this should be against the law. Oh. Hold on, let me taste this steak. Oh, I need a knife. Hold up. Let's see if I can put it down in the sink. That's smart. I'll come back up. Now, when you butter frying it, the seasonings that I put on it got seared, but the meat isn't burnt. So it cooked those seasonings, accenting the flavors, giving them so much volume, making them 3D, and soaking them through the meat as you butter frying it. All you have to do is scrape it off. It don't taste burnt, it tastes like the seasoning still. But the seasonings themselves, like the garlic powder and the onion powder and the paprika, they all get a little burnt in the fire. Don't worry about that. You can just scrape it off like this. Let me show you. The seasoning itself can be scraped off. See that? Let's take a look at that. Now you get perfect on the inside. I put it back on because I like mine's well done. It was about medium well, and it was still a little bloody, so I put it back on because I like it well done. It's still soft, it's still juicy. Got the seasoning crust on the outside. It's perfect. Ooh wee. That's crazy. We're back our little homie that spinach fry from the other day. So there we go. We got it. Got a beautiful meal. Butter fried the steaks. I butter fried the salmon, and I butter fried the green beans. Now the trick to that is actually letting them sit there and fry out. Like put the top on, put some butter in it, and set it to the side, and just let it keep sizzling until it start actually frying the green beans themselves. They gotta get fried. They gotta get a little burnt. They start cooking. They start to change color. Then you start shaking them around and flipping them up. And that's how you know the butter and the pepper is cooking all the way through the green beans. That's what gives it that beautiful flavor. Make it very gourmet instead of just putting plain bloody steaks, plain bloody green, plain green beans, and your vegetables taste just like plants from outside. You want to make it taste like something else. And what helps that is my secret ingredient is garlic. Putting the garlic, the butter, and the pepper, boom. And with the macaroni, you know, you try to put the pet milk or cream or put the cheese, crack the egg, and put it. I ain't doing all of that. That's take more time. Now, just the milk and the butter and the cheese, put it on the stove. It creates that nice saucy type flavor, like when you melt Velveeta cheese or like the queso cheese for nacho chips and dip. The nacho cheese, you melt that cheese together with the noodles and create the nice saucy macaroni. It comes out beautiful every time. So that's one of my secrets to doing that. So I don't have to worry about putting it in the oven or taking all day just to cook macaroni. Now if you want to, you can put it in the pan, put that in the oven, bake it for 30 minutes, and it'll come out the same way. And add an egg, you know. But I like it like this. Nice, cheesy with like the cheese sauce. Just milk, butter, and cheese. Now be careful, because certain cheeses don't melt well. They don't mix with milk well. And when you're using almond milk and silk and lactate and stuff like that, make sure it's not vanilla, make sure it's unsweetened, and you'll be good to go. So like this video, leave a comment please, and subscribe to the channel so you can join Chi Nation, and be looking out for that book we're working on.